Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, I show you how to make this tech house bass in the style of Anti-Op, Chris Lorenzo, and Xfer. So, the final result will sound like this. So, if you want this preset right away, make sure to check Bass House Forum 3. In the preset pack, you will get 4 to 5 presets in the style of Bass House, Confession, and some other tech house kind of style basses. So, make sure to check that in the link down below. So now, let's dive into the preset. The preset sounds like this. So first, select in the preset. Shape oscillator A like this. Go for the sine wave. Lower down 1 octave. And enable oscillator B. We'll go for the square wave. So some basic shapes. And square wave. Then enable the filter. So this already gets kind of the techy character of the bass. So first put it with the drive, with the fatness, and then shape envelope free. So lower down the decay and sustain toward 50%. Make it quite short and right to the cutoff. So around here. Let's get some more punch. So let's take the low 24. Just like this. Then shape envelope 1. Lower down the sustain and decay a bit. Bit of release. Then go to voicing. Select mono legato always. And a bit of portamento. This will give the slide effect to the bass. So now we're gonna make it more punchier. Go to envelope 2. Enable only a little bit of decay. Right to the chorus pitch. Go to the matrix. Select one way out. And shape like this. As you can hear, this gives it the punch of the sound. And that's already it for the oscillators, so now let's dive into the effects. So first of all, we got this hyper dimension. Lower down the mix of the hyper. And give it a bit of dimension. Only a little bit. Then enable the chorus. This will give a wider feel to the bass line. It doesn't actually make it wider, but it gives the feel. Then enable the distortion, stack soft clip, stack the post cutoff to around here. Put it to drive quite a bit. This will give it a distorted feel of the sound. It's a bit too much, so lower down the mix to around here. Add some OTT. Put up the gain like this. This will give it a bit too much high, so let's lower it down. It's clipping a bit, so lower down the gain. Then go to EQ. And cut off the highs even more. Then we're gonna make the bass even punchier, so about envelope 3 to the gain. To around here. Learn on the Q. And go for this frequency. Just like this. Learn on the master a bit. So the only thing we forgot is lower down oscillator B with 2 octaves. This will really bring the sub out in the bass. And there you have your tech house kind of style bass line. So if you want the preset right away, make sure to check Bass House Forum 3. You can find the preset in there. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I see you all in the next videos.